If you don't master AI, it will master you, combined with a journey to triple work productivity through mastering AI. The wake-up call. Hey, what's good? Everyone, picture this. You're chilling with your mates, scrolling TikTok or grinding through some late-night study session, and someone drops this line. If you don't master AI, it will master you. Sounds dramatic, right? Like something out of a sci-fi flick. But here's the thing, it's not just a catchy quote. It's a wake-up call, and it's hitting harder than ever in 2025. AI's not some distant future anymore. It's here, shaping our lives, our jobs, our world. And if we don't figure out how to take the reins, we might end up as passengers or worse. Let's be real for a sec. You've seen it creeping in, haven't you? Chatbots writing essays, algorithms picking your next Netflix binge, even those creepy ads that know what you're thinking before you do. Eyes everywhere, and it's moving fast. But here's the flip side. It's not just about keeping up. It's about using it to level up. Imagine tripling your productivity, getting 3 times more done in the same hours. Sounds wild, right? That's what this journey's about. Mastering AI so it works for you, not the other way around. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI? Isn't that for tech nerds or big corporations? Nah, that's old news. Today, it's for us, students, creators, hustlers, dreamers. Whether you're in Amsterdam smashing uni deadlines, London building a side gig, or Berlin chasing that startup vibe, AI's your secret weapon. But here's the catch. It's a tool, not a magic wand. If you don't learn how to wield it, it'll wield you like a boss you didn't sign up for. Think about it. Back in the day, people freaked out about computers taking over. Now, we can't live without them. AI's the same deal, just bigger. Experts are saying by 2030, it could automate half the jobs out there. Half. That's scary if you're on the sidelines, but it's a goldmine if you're in the driver's seat. So why triple productivity? Because time's our most precious thing. More time to create, to chill, to live. And AI's the key to unlocking it if we get it right. Stick with me here because we're about to dive into this step by step. We'll figure out what mastering AI even means, how it's already changing the game, and how you can use it to work smarter, not harder. If you're vibing with this so far, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really helps me keep bringing you stuff like this. Let's roll. So where do we start? It's all about getting why AI matters, why it's not just a buzzword but a power move. That's what's coming up next. So don't bounce yet. Why AI's the new superpower? Alright, so we've got this idea on the table, master AI or it masters you. But why is it such a big deal? Why is everyone from Elon Musk to your uni profs banging on about it? Let's break it down, because once you see the why, you'll get why tripling your productivity isn't just a flex. It's a must. First off, AI's not here to play small. It's like the internet was in the 90s, except on steroids. Back then, if you didn't learn to surf the web, you got left behind. Today, it's AI. Look around. Companies are using it to design cars, doctors to spot diseases, even artists to whip up wild visuals. It's not replacing us. It's amplifying us. But here's the kicker. The ones who thrive aren't just using it. They're mastering it. They're the ones telling AI what to do, not the other way round. Now, let's talk productivity. You know that feeling when you've got a million things to do? Essays, edits, emails, and only 24 hours? AI's like a cheat code. Take me, for example. I used to spend hours researching for these videos, digging through articles, cross-checking facts. Now, I've got tools like Grok, shout out to XAI, cutting that time in half. It's not doing the work for me. It's giving me a head start so I can focus on the creative stuff. That's the vibe. AI handles the grunt work, you handle the genius. And it's not just me. Across Europe, young people are jumping on this. In Stockholm, coders are using AI to debug faster. In Paris, designers are generating mock-ups in minutes. In Dublin, students are summarizing books in seconds. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Studies say AI can boost productivity by up to 40% in some fields. Triple? That's ambitious, but totally doable if you stack the right tools and mindset. But here's the flip side, and it's why that master it or be mastered line hits so hard. If you don't learn this stuff, you're not just missing out, you're falling behind. Jobs are shifting. Skills are evolving. The World Economic Forum says 85 million jobs could vanish by 2025, but 97 million new ones could pop up, most tied to tech like AI. Don't master it, and you're stuck chasing, not leading. So, it's a superpower, but it's not free. You've got to put in the work to unlock it. If you're feeling this energy, hit that like button and subscribe. I'd love to keep unpacking this with you. Next up, we're getting practical. How do you actually start mastering AI? What's step 1? That's where we're headed. So stick around. Step 1, know your tools. Okay, so we've established AI as a superpower worth chasing, your ticket to tripling productivity and staying ahead. But how do you even start? It's not like you wake up one day and go, yep, I'm an AI master now. Nah, it's a journey, and step 1 simple. Know your tools. Let's dive in because this is where the rubber hits the road. Think of AI like a toolbox. You wouldn't grab a hammer to fix a leaky pipe. You'd pick the right gear for the job. Same deal here. There's a ton of AI stuff out there, and it's all built for different vibes. Want to smash through boring tasks? Speed up creative projects? Organize your chaos? There's an AI for that. The trick is figuring out what's in your toolbox and how to use it. Let's start easy. You've probably already got some AI in your life, Google Translate, Siri, stuff like that. But we're going deeper. Take writing. Tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT can polish your essays or brainstorm ideas in seconds. I've used ChatGPT to draft video intros. Cuts my time from an hour to 15 minutes. Then there's research. Grok's my go-to. It digs up answers fast and skips the fluff. Last week, I asked it about AI stats for this script and boom, instant gold. That's productivity spiking right there. Creative types, listen up. Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can generate art or visuals from a sentence. Imagine you're a graphic designer in Lisbon. Client wants a logo, you type futuristic lion vibe, and bam, you've got options in minutes. Tweak it, done. That's hours saved. Or if you're into data, say you're crunching numbers for a Berlin startup. AI like Tableau or Power BI can spot trends you'd miss, turning a day's work into an afternoon. Here's the mindset shift. Don't just use these tools, own them. Play around. Test them. I started small. Asked ChatGPT to summarize a book I was too lazy to read. Worked like a charm. Then I pushed it, script outlines, email drafts. Each time, I shaved off more minutes, stacking that productivity boost. Triple? It's not instant, but it's building. But there's a catch. These tools aren't perfect. They can glitch, misunderstand, or churn out nonsense if you're not clear. That's why mastering AI means guiding it, giving it sharp prompts, checking its work. It's your co-pilot, not your autopilot. Get that right and you're golden. If you're hyped to try this out, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's keep this journey rolling together. So you've got the tools, but knowing them's just the start. Next, we're wiring them into your daily grind. How do you make AI your workflow BFF? That's coming up. So don't go anywhere. Hacking your workflow. All right, we're in the thick of it now. You've got your AI tools, ChatGPT, Grok, Midjourney, whatever's your vibe. But mastering AI isn't just about having them. It's about weaving them into your life so they triple your output without breaking a sweat. Let's talk workflow because this is where the magic happens. Step 1's done, you know what's out there. Now it's about making AI your daily wingman. Picture your average day, uni work, side hustle, maybe some gaming or Insta scrolling. Where's the time suck? For me, it was planning. Figuring out what to tackle first. Enter AI. I started using Notion AI to sort my tasks. I dumped my to-do list, script video, edit clips, reply to emails, and it prioritizes them based on deadlines and effort. Boom, 30 minutes of faffing, gone. Then there's the grind. Say you're writing a paper in Madrid or prepping a pitch in Munich. Instead of staring at a blank page, fire up ChatGPT. Tell it, draft an intro about renewable energy trends, 200 words. Spits out a base. Tweak it, add your flair, done. What took 2 hours? Now it's 45 minutes.